Hey, hi, hello, it's RebeccaMarie and welcome to or back to my channel. This video is a little bit of a different vibe today, so sit back and enjoy me making a Rapunzel costume for my friend Liv's themed party. Let's get into it. First step is to make my pattern. First off, I sketched out what I wanted to sew. Then I found all of the fabrics I could potentially use for this and looked at all the colors together. Figured out how I was going to make this pattern and just tried on one of my old corset tops to see how that worked and looked up other patterns that could kind of be inspiration for me to work off of. Then I did some more sketching to plan it out and I ended up just going straight on into it using my old pattern for my normal corsets and altering it. So I just cut out different pieces as you can see here. After I had the pieces, I put it on my mannequin just to check that it all worked, and it seemed to, so then I was able to just lay the pieces out and make sure that the pieces I had created fit together. So this is me here just like fixing it up and cutting off the excess that like didn't match up properly. And then I had my pattern, just checked it all laid out, pinned it together, and it was time to start sewing.
Okay, this is taking me a very long time, but I'm pretty sure this is the back and the front like all sewn together now. Kind of hard to see. I think I'm gonna give it a go and try it on and just see how I'm feeling about it, and then I can make the inside version of it. But like, wow, this is very difficult. Okay, so every single time I film myself, my bun gets more disheveled because I've tried it on and like had to take my hoodie off. But this works, so I'm going to replicate this for the lining, and then I can kind of properly get started now.
As it all worked out, I took that one piece, created a second piece so I'd have the front and back panels.
Okay, now I'm gonna sew front sides together so that I can turn it inside out and it will look really nice and seamless.
As I just said in the clip before, this is me just pinning the two front sides together so that when it was all stitched together at the end, I could flip it inside out as I'm doing here and make it really seamless.
Okay, here it is. It's all been turned inside out. Straps have been attached. I'm just gonna try it on and we're gonna see how it's working out. Okay, I tried it on and it's a bit too skimpy to put on the camera right now, but it's looking really good. I'm really proud, and I'm just going to top stitch it now.
Then after I had all of this top stitched, I wanted to add some pink detailing so it looked a little bit more like Rapunzel, so I was just figuring out how this was gonna work, pinning it on, sewing it on, and then I added some bias tape along the bottom just to finish it all off and add that pink back in as well. And then after all of this was stitched all nice and flat and perfect, I was able to add all the grommets along the front two sides. This took way too long.
Oh my goodness, it looks so good. Okay, I've just tried it on for the first time, obviously with no sleeves, and I'm thinking with this like longer skirt, I tried it on with a shorter pink one before that was the same color pink, but I'm thinking that this one is a bit more like princessy, full-length vibes, but I'll wait and see what my friends say. It's not really a sewing tutorial, so it doesn't really matter, but then I put this elastic round that fits on my arm and it matches, and now I'm just sewing the rest of it in place, and I'm hoping it'll work because I tried it before and it didn't work on this side, so let's have a look. Excuse all the sewing in the background, but it looks really good. That's it there. I look a bit homeless right now, but I'm kind of excited. I'm gonna do it to the other one now as well. Okay, I am now in Auckland and tonight is the night of Liv's flat party, so I am going to get ready and turn myself into Rapunzel for the night. So first off, I'm gonna just go have a shower and I'll see you guys after I've had a shower. So I've obviously had a shower, I'm just gonna dry my hair. So yep, my hair is all dry. I am going to do my makeup, so I'm just gonna put you here. Let's begin once I do my makeup. This video is kind of really random, but I just thought I'd like film the whole process of like this whole Rapunzel thing, just because I can. I'm not really sure why. Just using my James Charles palette. Wow, what a makeup guru. I really can't tell if this just looks like I was punched in the face or not. Okay, I feel like my makeup is done. I'm just gonna put lip gloss on. Yay. Now I just need to straighten my hair. Mum's phone died whilst I was filming getting ready, but I have finished my makeup and finished straightening my hair. So I'm feeling more the vibe. And now I'm going to put my outfit on. So it is time for the grand reveal. How cute. Okay, wait, this really isn't capturing the whole outfit. Okay, but like immaculate vibes. I'm not taking a frying pan because I will probably lose it, and Liv probably has a frying pan, which will be more iconic and not get lost.
'Too weak to handle myself out there, huh, Mother? Well, tell that to my friend. I'm just gonna tell you, it's my birthday! Ta-da!
No, can't be. I distinctly remember. Your birthday was last year.
That's the funny thing about birthdays. They're kind of an annual thing.
I had a yarn with the bus driver that was so cute. And now I'm just walking to Liv's. I think I know where I'm going, but I'm really not sure. How good Liv looks. Sweet. It's so good.
What do I need to do to get some time with you? I'd rather be having ball than missing all of you. Drinking till the sun comes up. Better than feeling like I need your love.
Liv, but her party was so on. Thank you, Liv. I love you.
I feel like I didn't get that much footage there, and I didn't really get that much footage as Rapunzel, but that was my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Super random, very different for me, and yeah, so I'll be back next week with another video. Bye.
Till I go now. Baby, it's for 13.